They are meant to save the lives of drivers and passengers who end up in car crashes. But some airbags are doing the opposite. They suddenly explode as they inflate and fire out metallic debris, causing serious injury and even death. At the center of the recall was the Japanese company Takata, described as one of the world's largest maker of auto parts. Businessman Glen is the managing director of Auto Solutions, which sells Honda vehicles in Bermuda.
The three vehicles that were either purchased through former owner HWP or ourselves is the Honda Fit, the Honda CRV, and the Honda FRV. And the range in age is from 2001 model to 2016.
This doesn't mean every model within this 2001 to 2016 range is affected, just those models with specific identification or VIN numbers.
Where the clients can call here, give their chassis number, and then we can look it up, or they can go on the web and they can check themselves if their vehicle falls in that recall.
In America, it's being described as the biggest auto recall in history. This is an image of a young Texas woman who was seriously injured when the inflator in her Honda Civic front airbag exploded in a relatively minor collision. Luckily, she survived and was awarded a 7-figure financial settlement from Honda.
Our number one concern is the safety. Always has been, always will be.
The recall worldwide began in 2015 with no incidents recorded locally thus far, and it's believed around 1,200 cars are affected here.
Well, there's been no panic, but we were helped by Honda tremendously. They've actually given us a dedicated person who looks after all our Honda recalls. Okay, so this is a Honda Fit, and the airbag is actually in the center of the steering wheel. So what we need to do is take 2 screws out either side of behind the steering wheel and remove the center cap of the steering wheel. Okay, go. Okay.
Already removed the 2 bolts.
So we're just going to lift this out. Okay.
Disconnect the connectors.
We just take the connectors off. So now we have the airbag, and the airbag is actually in here, and this is the inflator part that we're actually going to change. So we just need to take these 3 screws out, which takes the bracket off which holds the steering center in place.